Web3, the metaverse, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, blockchain, all of these topics are in the news and everyone seems to be talking about them. So what do they all mean? And what should you be doing to stay ahead and ensure that you and your company are poised to take advantage of these new technologies? Let me start by saying that I think the metaverse is probably one of the most overhyped terms I've come across in quite some time. Many critical thinkers in this space agree that the metaverse, defined as an open, persistent, real-time, interoperable virtual world, doesn't yet exist. While there are many metaversal activities underway, we're still a few years off from seeing a truly interoperable environment that was first depicted in the 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash, written by Neal Stephenson, or the 2018 film Ready Player One, no matter how hard meta tells you that we're here already. This doesn't mean you shouldn't be exploring these new technologies to see how they might impact your business in the near future. Staying digitally curious is a healthy regime for everyone. So why not go and buy a VR headset and experience what's available today? Now, when I think about how to explain the metaverse to audiences, I go back to how it all began, with gaming. Gamers totally get the concept of working and living in a virtual world. Why not think about what aspects of your business can be gamified today? That might help you bridge to where the metaverse would make sense. Now, when we think about Web3, many of my audiences are still grappling with Web 1 and Web 2. So let's backtrack a bit. Web 1 was read-only, and many existing websites let you read content, but you can't contribute. Web 2 encompasses many of the social media websites we use every day. We can read content, we can contribute, although how we do this is limited by the terms and conditions imposed by the website owner. Web 3 is read, write, and own. In a Web 3 world, we'll be able to own the content we contribute and monetize it. Today, the bulk of websites we use are owned, hosted, and controlled by a small handful of large tech companies. So Tim Berners-Lee, who invented the World Wide Web back in 1989, has become disillusioned about how his invention has evolved. He's now leading a project at MIT called Solid that aims to give everyone a personal cloud to own and manage their content. With big tech having such a hold over us, we may not see Web3 come into real existence for some time yet.